Hi, my name is Taron. I'm one of the scientists here at Hardy Nutritionals. Today I'd like to talk about taking additional supplements along with the daily essential nutrients. As a general rule of thumb, it's not necessary to take additional vitamins. The daily essential nutrients has a very broad spectrum and substantial doses of the vitamins, and so generally that's not necessary to take more. There may be some instances, though, where an individual may have a higher need, and in those cases it may be warranted. Similar situation with additional minerals. The Daily Essentials has a broad spectrum and good doses of the minerals, but there may be some exceptions for those for minerals as well. For instance, individuals that take additional magnesium for a calming effect or to help to regulate bowel function may need to continue to do that if they find that the daily essential nutrients don't address those needs for them. Individuals that have high copper may need to take additional zinc to help balance that zinc-copper ratio. Some individuals may need to take additional iron if they find that they are anemic, and as long as that's monitored and watched, they can take the additional iron until those things balance. So those are some examples where there may be exceptions, but as a general rule, people don't need to take additional minerals. With psychoactive supplements, herbs and botanicals like St. John's wort, kava kava, valerian, we recommend caution just because those herbs have an effect on the central nervous system. We ask that people use those carefully and watch their symptoms and make adjustments accordingly so that they don't run into problems with those kinds of supplements. Other herbs and botanicals are generally okay, just with the caveat that some herbs, some botanicals will inhibit the CYP family of enzymes. Those are the same enzymes that metabolize drugs, and therefore if they're taking medications at the same time, they could essentially be increasing the effective dose of the drug in the system. So again, we recommend caution and cautious use of those kinds of things when it comes to to herbs and botanicals. For proteins and amino acids, as a general rule of thumb, proteins seem to help many people, especially if they're taking medications or have recently stopped taking medications. Proteins seem to help provide a buffer or balance for those individuals. The same is true for free-form amino acid blends, of which we carry the balanced free-form amino acid product. But we do again recommend caution when using the modified amino acids like SAMe or 5-HTP, which are active metabolites. They have an action in the central nervous system, and so we recommend cautious use. Be careful to watch symptoms, those kinds of things, to make sure that there aren't any problems or issues that develop when using those specific types of amino acids with the daily essential nutrients. The last general category of supplements that we address is the use of fatty acids, supplemental fatty acids. We know that in North America, a good many people need additional omega-3 fatty acids, and many of the doctors that we work with recommend up to 3 grams of fish oils a day, particularly so that individuals are getting those omega-3 fatty acids, the EPA and the DHA. And so those kinds of supplements are well worth using and a good idea, perhaps. We hope that gives you some background on using additional supplements with the daily essentials. And again, we hope that helps you in your journey to wellness and understanding potential interactions with additional supplements. Thank you.